정말 좋아하는 곡입니다.
Kasi for me, it tells us to keep trying kahit may kulang o failures.
Second of all, okay? In our song, there's a lyrics that Tago 있는 마음속에 meron pong lyrics na gano'n. And katulad lang po, like how you guys po, hindi nag-English. Kagaya po kung paano lang po kayo sa amin every time that it's hard or we feel down. Sa inyo lang po kami kumukuha ng lakas. Kaya maraming salamat po. Thank you all so much.
여러분이 저를 우주 최고의 힐밴드로 만들어주신 거죠?
So, everyone, you make us the universe's number one, right?
약속, promise.
Doing it. Thank you for
그리고 여러분들의 힘주는 열심히 노래할 수 있었던 것 같습니다.
So, and while we were performing Blue School, Green Gas, and Red Sneakers, I could really feel your fan chant and cheers.
네, 앞으로 타이틀들도 이제 열심히 응원 주시면 감사하겠습니다.
Kahit mahirap nagdamin nyo ang nag-effort, thank you very much po talaga.
I saw that you guys prepared such a special event for us. Thank you so much. You see blue, red, and green. Yeah. During the stage, I was like, oh. You know, in our lyrics, there's like, tired of the one. And you know, everyone was waiting for it because it sounds like Tagalog. So they're waiting for it, and then every time I do that part, I sang the Tagalog lyrics instead of our lyrics. I also changed one. So for this stage, for our next stage, everyone, this one I think you will really love this next stage. We will perform this song. Yeah. 오늘 팬 콘서트는 저희 작품 무대.